Hello, everyone. Welcome to the tutorial to the golden chip. What I really want to let you guys know of what the golden chip actually is, how is it used, how is it utilized, all right? Well, first off, it has a lot to do with Fibonacci levels, support resistance, market cycles, knowing your distribution and your consolidation areas, right? Um, what this will also open you up to is seeing levels, level to level trading. If you are a level to level trader, I'm a zone to zone trader myself. This helps out tremendously. Um, so let's get into it. I like to go on my higher time frames, correct? I always like to see the bigger picture. I'm a swing trader. So golden chip will help you swing positions. It will help you see the longer term of things. So let's look at this. We see that the break of resistance is right here on our 78.6, correct? This is a rejection area that we're coming across, okay? We can see formation as a W, but I don't want you to be worried about the indicator too much. It will move with price, so it's okay. This will actually move with price. Now, let's go to our weekly. Let's see what our weekly is telling us. Awesome. So we have a breakage on the weekly of the 61.8. This has broke on our weekly. We can see also by market structure, we see a flag formation happening here coming out of our channel. All right. Now, what I see coming up is a resistance area. Okay. We have that 50 retracement coming up. Now let's go on our daily. See how clear this picture is. Wow. A lot more clear, right? Now we have a 38.2. That's where price has stopped for the time. Today is August 17th of 2019. Market will open up tomorrow. So what I see is we have a strong resistance level, right? Just off basic market structure, right? Some will not know if this will break. Some will not know if this will resist. But look what's right in front of your eyes. You literally have an area that will not be broken. So we do have some pips to go up, a nice 165 pips for this run to go. That's typically not bad if you're an intraday trader. And also, what I wanted to mention is this indicator also has a buy. So when price hits on this 98.5, it's ready to buy. It's getting ready to hit a strong support area, and you're going to be ready for your buy positions. We all know support equals buy, resistance equals sell, right? So we have our breaker resistance, which are our levels, like I was talking about earlier, our level to level trading. If you are that type of trader, perfect. BOR just stands for breaker resist. Nothing fancy. Right here, next to the golden chip symbol, what you'll get is where price is actually on this indicator. Okay, you'll be able to see where 39 point. Okay, so we're on a 39 right now. We're on the 39. Okay, so this is where you also will be able to see, oh, is this resistance level, is this support level coming up, is it coming up to the 50, is it coming up to the 38, has it broke those levels, you know, so you will know, right? So we also get our sell signal. So when price is slamming the top, ready for this top, you look at this. For example, this is the structure. Yes. Look how accurate that is, right? It is ready to sell up here because it's a strong resistance, right? Let's go to our 4 hour. Our 4 hour is ready. It is telling you it wants to go and hit that resistance. And we are going to end up selling this within these couple days here. But we're going to get our push up, our 160 pips, 170 pips. And we're going to grab that. That's a nice grab. Now, if you're looking to see the continuation, if you're wanting to go on a higher time frame, you can. I would advise that if you do like to swing trade. You could put your technicals in, you know, put your trend lines in. You know, you want to figure out where price wants to go. You don't want to just rely on the indicator. You want to see what is actually going on, okay? So if we end up getting our push to the upside, what I am seeing, this can be a nice continuation to the upside, right? We got a break on our 61.8 on our indicator, on our golden chip, okay? Now, when price comes up here, I'm going to wait for a pullback. I'm going to actually get another pullback at this level. Reason of, right? I want price to go up to this 23.6 on our daily, right? I want to see what does price do at that level, right? If we get all the way up here on our daily, we're going to get our pullback. We're going to have a consolidated area, which we'll see price like to go something like this, hit a retracement. We know this knowing Fibonacci, 38.2, strong level, you know, shallow retracement. And it can go right back up, right, for the continuation. That is exactly what I'm seeing for this, for AUD NZD. Okay. Now, let's move to USD JPY. All right. USD JPY. We have on the monthly. Wow, is that a little break we see there, mate? 38.2 is being broken. The 38.2 is actually being broken on the USD JPY. So what I am definitely seeing is a nice sell position happening soon. Very, very nice. Let's see. But for my weekly, remember checking all your break resistance areas. Where is price at on a break resistance area? Well, look, it curved into. So let's put our trend lines in here, right? I want to see where this is going. Nice. Okay. Now let's fix that up. Let's fix that up. Sorry. There you go. Cool. So now that is fixed up, now I'm going to see and plot just off of my eyeball, knowing where we have a resistance area, right? Now I'm going to plot that there. I'm going to go down to my 4 hour. I'm going to see that this is making a very nice pattern for me. Very, very nice. I can even go lower on these time frames. Let's go lower. Look what it's showing. It's wanting to hit this area and fall. Okay, so look at the 30 minute. 30 minutes showing how it wants to get up there, right? Let's zoom out a bit. We can check that out. Wow, it's perfect. Now the 15 minute, we have a retracement on the 50%. So we knew that this wanted to go right back up all the way to the top of this resistance. So it's valid. This has to go up to, on the 4 hour, we will see a 61.8 hit, and we will see it fall from there, right? Looks great. Looks great. 78.2 breaker resistance below. Is it breaking? All right. Is it going to break or is it going to resist? Right? Break or resist. Same thing. Okay. That's USD JPY. Now we can go to Euro USD. Okay. From a monthly standpoint, let's see what this says. It's telling us a nice story. That's okay. So what I'm seeing at the moment, the 78.6 is broken, right? It's breaking. But you do not want to be tricked. So let's go to our weekly. Let's see how it's looking. Okay. Our weekly is telling us this wants to go up. It's tired of sitting there at the bottom. So I'm looking, my eyeball, this is a support area, right? Now, that's just for my eyeball. Let's go to our daily. Wow. Now, same thing from our weekly. Look where the ground is. Look what the ground is, right? Now, that's on our weekly. Our daily had a retracement at the 50. Now that has to go back to support. Little mini cycles here, 1, 2, 3, 4, right back down to the support. And we'll see this make a nice, looks like a W formation is being formed here. A nice, beautiful W formation. Okay. So if you wanted, you go to our 4 hour. Oh, our 4 hour is awesome. It looks like it wants to do that also, right? It actually wants to go down to this ground too. Very clear. Stage 1, stage 1, stage 2, stage 2, stage 3, stage 3, stage 4. It hasn't been completed yet. We need support, right? So we have our 4 going down to 1. So this is actually a buy signal. As we can see how we've put the puzzles together. And I will let you know that the 15 minute is a very, very crucial time frame. Reason of is because you will be able to see turns as this 50%. You will be able to see the 61s turn. You'll be able to see when things are turning when they should not. It sounds weird, but you'll be able to catch more retracements also. But the higher time frames are your beauty. This is where you're going to get everything. The lower time frames, when you're trying to look for entries or you're looking for small retracement areas. Okay. So that is Golden Chip tutorial. If you have any questions, send me a message. We have a comment section. Please comment below and share to your friends. Send me an email if you have any type of questions, anything. This is Golden Chip, and this is Chip, and I am out.